All right, I bought a set of pet grooming clippers because I'm not going to groom our dogs fully, but I want to keep their paws trimmed. And so this is really just an unboxing of what we got. Open it up, it comes in a nice carrying case, instruction set, a couple different levels of guards. This is a rechargeable brand. Comes with a recharger, a little brush, and the trimming setup. This is right out of the box and it's charged. Also comes with a bunch of other things. A nail trimmer and a file. Another motor head, and this is typically used, it's a smaller motor head. So it's typically used for trimming their paws, which is the main thing I need. A nice set of scissors, and then a nice metal comb. And it's actually pretty nice because a lot of times they come with plastic ones. So this one is metal. It looks pretty nice, well built. And then a thing of oil. So that's all there is to it. Pretty nice little setup. I'll put this back in here and I'll try these out on the dogs in a little bit. I'll let you know how this goes. I'll give it a rating as well, and if you want to buy these, I'll have the link in the comments.